blends rugged workwear with streetwise style, offering a bold women's exclusive silhouette inspired by the iconic Timberland 6-inch boot. Dropping in fall 2025 via Nike.com and select Jordan retailers, this release channels NYC's no-nonsense attitude through its sweet brown leather build, accented with heavy rope laces and contrast stitching. The standout feature is its oversized platform sole, carved with traction along the sidewalls and finished in matching brown, giving it a confident boot meets sneaker stance that's perfect for city streets. Branding details stay sharp and elevated with black Nike Air tongue tags and metallic wings logos at the heel. As part of Jordan Brand's growing Brooklyn series, the Workboot doesn't just mimic workwear, it modernizes it, wrapping a durable, industrial aesthetic into a fashion-forward sneaker form. Bold, functional, and unmistakably New York, this hybrid silhouette adds a unique twist to the Air Jordan legacy while honoring the borough that inspired it.